This is Jonathan at Brubaker Chrysler Jeep here to introduce the 2023 Jeep Wrangler 2-door Sport. I'm going to show you how to take the soft top down. So the first step that you would take, hop on in, you unlatch both of these latches right here. So that will loosen everything, that will pop. All right, so then you'll come around to the back of the vehicle. You have to undo the roll bar here and take everything out from the side, and then you are going to take the back window out, just like so. Other side, you'll do the same thing. Take this out. You have this little lever back here to pull down, so the whole back will fold much like an accordion. Close the back door. Now you're ready for the open air fun. Alright, so come check us out. Pick up this new Jeep. Weather's breaking. Once again, when you think Jeep, think Brubaker.